Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1. Industrial routers found to have critical vulnerabilities. Germany's CERT at VDE has alerted organizations to several critical and high-severity vulnerabilities in industrial routers used worldwide as VPN gateways for remotely accessing and maintaining industrial environments. The affected devices include the mbNET.mini router, which can be exploited by unauthenticated remote hackers to execute arbitrary OS commands or take complete control of an affected device. 3 additional security holes have been assigned a high severity rating, with exploitation leading to privilege escalation and information disclosure. The vulnerabilities were responsibly disclosed to the vendor, mbConnect line, and patches have been released for the impacted devices. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2. Threat actors leverage fake Google. Meet web pages to deliver malware. Threat actors are using fake Google Meet web pages as part of an ongoing malware campaign called ClickFix to deliver info stealers targeting Windows and Mac OS systems. The campaign involves displaying fake error messages in web browsers, deceiving users into copying and executing malicious PowerShell code, which infects their systems. Variations of the campaign have been reported, with threat actors employing different lures to redirect users to bogus pages that aim to deploy malware by urging site visitors to run encoded PowerShell code. The attack chain culminates in the deployment of StealC and Radamanthus stealers on Windows, while Apple Mac OS users are served a booby-trapped disk image file that drops another stealer known as Atomic. Cyber news number 3. Docker security / cloud security. Bad actors have been observed targeting Docker remote API servers to deploy crypto miners on compromised instances, according to Trend Micro. The attackers use the gRPC protocol over H2C to evade security solutions and execute their mining operations on the Docker host. They first check for public-facing Docker API hosts, and then proceed with requests to manipulate Docker functionalities. Once successful, they create a container to mine XRP cryptocurrency using the SRB miner payload. Additionally, attackers are exploiting exposed Docker remote API servers to deploy malware, creating containers and executing payloads to deliver malicious binaries. To prevent this, users should secure Docker remote API servers by implementing strong access controls and authentication mechanisms, monitor them for unusual activities, and follow container security best practices. Cyber news number 4. October 22, 2024. Researchers discovered suspicious packages on NPM registry designed to harvest Ethereum private keys and gain remote access via SSH protocol. The packages impersonate legitimate Ethers package and attempt to write attackers' SSH public key in the root user's authorized _keys file. Cyber news number 5. Zero-day vulnerability in Samsung mobile processors exploited for arbitrary code execution. A zero-day vulnerability in Samsung's mobile processors has been leveraged as part of an exploit chain for arbitrary code execution, according to Google's threat analysis group. The issue, tracked as CVE 2024-40-4068 with a CVSS score of 8.1, is a use after free bug that can be abused to escalate privileges on a vulnerable Android device. The vulnerability exists in the M2M scaler driver and has been patched by Samsung as part of its October 2024 set of security fixes. Thanks for sticking with us. Please like and subscribe for more updates.